Hot day today. Very hot. What are you laughing at? Got your camera person and she laughs at everything. Hot day today, busy day. So van here, eldest Ultra Quest. We're getting that out. The customers come to pick it up in a bit, so we need to get this all set up. So first thing, we'll get the awning out. Look what I've got. Awning winder. So we're looking nice as if the van's on the campsite, ready to go out. Nice clean awning for the customer as well. So we'll get that, we'll get the legs down. Big awning that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we need to go round and just double check. Always like to double check the latches. They're all looking nice and clean. What have we got here? So we've got leisure battery. We need to get a hook up in. It's really a hook up, or I call it a hook up. So we always like to send a van out with a hook up. I don't like people going home and having to buy things. And what we don't do, we don't keep it all. This is a big hook up. How long is this? We don't keep it wrapped up like this as well, because obviously there's currents going through it. It's a hot day. It can warm and heat up. So we'll just try and that there. We'll just try now, just stretch it out a little bit so we can get the current going through. Happy with that?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
And then we'll get the hook up there, turn that on, and we should have power in the van. Oh, I know what we've not done. Gas. Let's get the gas on. I did fill it up full of water yesterday, so we'll turn the gas on there. Let's check this. So if you just have a quick look, I'll just show you. You can just see down there. We've got the water pump there, and then the heater's behind that. So your drain off is down there. We've got the fresh water which I filled up. And then there we go. Look at that, spotless. You could have your dinner off that, couldn't you? You got giggles on them?
Yeah.
So quickly, there's a fresh water drain off, there's our wastewater drain off. So we'll set this up now. Okay, so I'll tell you what we've not done, we've not put the carpets down. So let's just switch on. Lights, awning. Now we did just put a hook up in the van, so put everything back together. We did put a hook up in the van, so let's just have a look down here. The easiest way to check, we've got power coming in. Let's just trip that, and it's not tripped. So that means now we've not got power coming into the van. See? It's not tripped. So, because it's not tripped, that means we've got no power coming in the van. So, it's either going to be the hookup cable, or it's going to be at where we've plugged in. So, we'll just check here. That's all plugged in nice there. We'll follow the lead around. Oh, look what Emily's not done. She plugged the wrong one in. So, so what we'll do, we'll plug the new one in. There, switch that on, and let's go back and check. And trust me, that's really happened. We haven't made that up, have we, Em?
No.
That's definitely. So what we'll do, we'll put that down there. See that? Now we've got power coming in the van. So simple mistake, but now you've learnt your lesson. So right, what we're doing now, because it's a hot day, let's get supply everything open up. We'll get them open. And we'll open the other ones. You don't want to see me opening windows. So we've just put the gas on. I'm going to just draw some gas through. There we go. We've got that going there as well. We're all right in there. So
you've left your gas on.
Oh yeah. So what I always like to do, a bit of a superstition for me, I always like to just put the fridge on first on the gas. So now I'm holding the gas in. And as you can see, the dial's going up there. There we go. And then what I'll do is if I take my finger off, there you go, it's working on the gas. So just while that's doing now, I'm going to put the pump on, prime up. I can just hear the pump going. I'll open another window, another skylight. We'll have another window open as well. Let's get that open. I think we'll open this one as well. Get that one done. Let's get some water coming through. We've got water coming through. Now normally I would put the heating on, but it's a little bit warm today, so I'm not going to put the heating on. I'm going to put the hot water on probably about an hour before they arrive. So we've got nice warm water coming through. I'm happy with everything now. What we need to do, I'm going to move that back now onto electric because I don't want to use the customer's gas up. Now we've got smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide alarm there. They're both working, but they're coming up to their end date, so I have put a new carbon monoxide and smoke alarm in and let them put it wherever they want, because no doubt wherever I put it, it'll be in the wrong place. So next thing now, what we're going to do, we're going to put some carpets down. Let's make it look like a motorhome, a nice homely one. Yeah, carpets. They're like a big jigsaw puzzle, these carpets are. Trying to work out where they go. I'm never that good at it. So, have we got that? No, that's not there, is it? Right, that one's probably going to go there. Hey?
Yeah, that's there.
Oh, okay.
That bottom one that you've got might be by the door.
By the door? Let's try and get that one down. Right, so we'll go into that one there. Move that around. Look at that one in. Oh, I pulled it out. I think I'll just get them down first, eh? And then, where do you think that one is? That one's going to be down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look, yeah. So we'll get that one in. That one in. See how much difference they start to look. The van starts to seem a bit more homely now. Now we've got the carpets down. Now personally, if you're getting a new van like these people are getting, well, it's not a new one, a used one, these are really good carpets. Now to help resale value, what I would be doing is I'd be taking these carpets out and just getting some cheap ones in, because obviously you might spill things, you might get mud on them. So when you do come to sell it again for resale value, if they've got the original carpets in and they're looking really nice like these ones are, it helps you on resale. So I would tempt you to take them out, just go and get some cheap ones, cheap runners or something, and then you've got them, you've got your new ones. If you do ever come to sell it again, or even part exchange it for another motorhome. If you're looking at selling your motorhome, don't forget, give us a call, Caravans and Campers Limited. We're always looking for vans. See how I chucked the little ad in there? I'm getting good at this. So see the difference? Oh, we've got another skylight there. Let's get that one open. So let's have a quick nosy around. Let's go, what have we got there? To be fitting in. What we have done is, oh, this has got solder on as well. I've got my little checklist. So there's my checklist, the jobs to do. Let's have a quick look around and see what else we've got to do today. Come on then.